Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ channel. In this channel, we are trying to bring to you all latest updates of government jobs in finance domain every week. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and do click on the bell icon so as to receive notifications whenever we are uploading a new video. So friends, let's begin and go through jobs of this week. So friends, first a reminder for some important vacancies expiring this week from NABARD and GAIL India Limited. So first we'll go through vacancies expiring from NABARD. Friends, NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, has come up with vacancies for recruitment of manager grade A in finance discipline. Friends, here the education qualification asked is BBA or BMS with specialization in finance or banking with minimum 60% marks, or PGDM finance or MBA finance with minimum 55% marks, or a Bachelor of Financial and Investment Analysis holder with minimum 60% marks, or a bachelor's degree with CA or CFA. Friends, here the upper limit is 30 years, total 21 vacancies are there, all are permanent posts, and in all cases freshers are also eligible to apply. Friends, the package is 8.40 lakhs per annum and you'll have to apply online latest by 7th August 2021. So friends, before we move ahead, an important piece of information for those who applied for junior accountant or accounts officer at Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Nigam Limited, or have applied for management trainee finance at BDL, that is Bharat Dynamics Limited, please visit our website financemcq.in, where the entire technical syllabus, which consists of 60% weightage in case of Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Nigam Limited and 67% weightage in case of BDL, is brought to you in MCQ format for practice. Friends, here explanation is also added for correct answers wherever required for conceptual clarity, and not only this, there is an email support for clarification of doubts raised by candidates while practicing these contents. And friends, let me tell you, the entire content of financemcq.in is prepared by professionals such as chartered accountant or cost and management accountant, which gives the course a professional edge and in-depth coverage of the entire technical syllabus. And friends, if you log into financemcq.in, take a demo, you will realize that the entire system is designed in such a way so as to give the candidates a real exam-like environment. So friends, do visit financemcq.in and practice for your technical syllabus well. All the best, friends. Friends, next vacancy which is expiring from NABARD is for the recruitment of manager grade A in general category. Friends, here the education qualification asked is a bachelor's degree with minimum 60% marks, or PG degree, MBA, PGDM with minimum 55% marks, or a chartered accountant, company secretary, or a cost and management accountant, or a PhD holder is eligible to apply here. Friends, the age limit is 30 years. There are total 74 vacancies, all are permanent basis, and in all cases freshers are also eligible to apply. Friends, the package is 8.40 lakhs, and hurry up as the last date is 7th August 2021 to apply for these vacancies. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization which is expiring is for manager in grade B category. Friends, here education qualification asked is a PG degree with 60% marks, and here candidate should have minimum 60% at all levels. Friends, all levels here means minimum 60% at 10th, 12th and graduation level. And friends, even candidates having 60% all levels with CA, CS or CMA is also eligible to apply. Friends, even candidates having 60% at all levels along with PhD is also eligible to apply. Friends, the upper limit is 32 years, total 7 vacancies are there, all are permanent post, and here 3 years of experience is required. Friends, your package is 9.36 lakhs gross, and you have to apply online latest by 7th August 2021. Friends, next we will go through vacancies from GAIL India Limited which is expiring this week. Friends, here the recruitment first was for 4 vacancies of manager marketing commodity risk management. Friends, the education qualification asked is either ACA or ACMA, or a BCom with 60% marks along with MBA finance with 65% marks, or BA with specialization in economics, maths, statistics, or a BSc degree holder with specialization in maths or statistics with 60% marks along with MBA finance with 65% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 34 years, total 4 vacancies are there across India, all are permanent post, and here 4 years of experience is required. Friends, here your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 70,000 to rupees 2 lakh per month. And friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 5th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy expiring this week again from the same organization for the recruitment of senior officer finance and accounts. Friends, the education qualification asked is ACA or ACMA or BCom with 60% marks along with MBA finance with 65% marks, or BA with specialization in economics, maths, statistics, or BSc with specialization in maths or statistics with minimum 60% marks along with MBA with 65% marks. Friends, here the upper limit is 28 years, total 5 vacancies, all are permanent posts, and here 1 year of experience is required. Friend, here your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 60,000 to rupees 1,80,000 per month. Friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 5th August 2021. Friends, for all the vacancies shown in this video, the link is given in the description box below, so you can directly click there and apply for your vacancies. Moving on, friends, next vacancy again from the same organization which is expiring is for the recruitment of 4 vacancies of senior officer in law category. Friends, the education qualification asked is graduation degree along with LLB, both with minimum 60% marks, or a candidate having 5 years integrated LLB degree with minimum 60% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 28 years. Friends, these are permanent posts, and here you will require 1 year of experience to apply for this vacancy. Your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 60,000 to 1,80,000 per month. Friends, hurry up as the last date is 5th August 2021. Now friends, moving on to this week vacancy. First recruitment is from the Indian Institute of Management, Jammu. Friends, here the recruitment is for 1 vacancy of finance and accounts officer. Friends, education qualification asked is either a chartered accountant or cost and management accountant, or a post-graduation degree holder in commerce with minimum 55% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 40 years. It is a permanent post, and in here you need to have 8 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package would be 11 lakhs gross, and you have to apply online latest by 1st August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Indian Institute of Banking and Finance, which is under Ministry of Finance. Friends, here the recruitment is for 10 vacancies of junior executive at Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai and New Delhi. Friends, the education qualification asked is graduation with minimum 60% marks in commerce or economics or business management or IT or computer science. Friends, here the desirable qualification asked is diploma in banking and finance of Indian Institute of Banking and Finance, or MCOM or MA Economics, or MBA, CA, CMA, CS and CFA. Friends, the upper limit is 28 years. These are permanent vacancies, and here freshers are eligible to apply. Friends, the package would be 6 lakh gross, and you'll have to apply online latest by 5th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Numaligarh Refinery Limited, which is a subsidiary of Oil India Limited. Friends, it's a Mini Ratna PSU, and here the recruitment is for 2 vacancies of Assistant Accounts Officer at Assam. Friends, the education qualification asked is CA Inter and bachelor's degree with minimum 60% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 32 years. These are permanent vacancies, and here 3 years of experience is required to apply for this vacancy, and you'll get a package of 15.10 lakhs per annum. Friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 13th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited for the recruitment of 1 vacancies of manager in finance and accounts category. Friends, the education qualification asked is MCOM or MBA Finance or degree with CA Inter or CMA Inter, and friends, here knowledge of Kannada language is essential. Friends, the upper limit is 45 years. It's a contractual vacancy, and here 8 years of experience is required to apply for this vacancy. And if you are a CA Inter or CMA Inter, even 3 years of experience is sufficient to apply for this vacancy. Friends, you'll get a consultant amount of 75,000 every month, and you'll have to apply offline to Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited latest by 27th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from IND Bank, which is IND Bank Merchant Banking Services Limited, a subsidiary of Indian Bank. Friends, here the recruitment is for 17 vacancies of field staff under retail loan counselor category. Friends, the education qualification asked is a graduation, and the upper limit is 35 years. Friends, there are total 17 vacancies, and place of posting would be either Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Lucknow or Ahmedabad. Friends, these are contractual vacancies, and here there is no compulsory experience requirement. However, preference will be given to candidates having 1 year of experience. Friends, your package would range between 1.5 to 2 lakhs per annum. Friends, you'll have to apply offline, or you can also mail to recruitment@indbankonline.com latest by 14th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Board of Apprenticeship Training Northern Region, which is an autonomous body under Ministry of Education, Government of India. Friends, here the recruitment is for 1 vacancy of assistant at Kanpur. Friends, the education qualification asked is at least a second class bachelor's degree in arts, science or commerce. Friends, the upper age limit is 35 years. It's a permanent vacancy, and here 8 years of experience is required to apply for this vacancy, and you'll get a package of 6 lakhs per annum. Friends, you'll have to apply first online and send hard copy of your application to Board of Apprentice Training latest by 30th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization. Here the recruitment is for 1 vacancy of UDC and 1 vacancy of LDC, that is lower divisional clerk. Friends, here the education qualification as the graduation and desirable is English typing speed of 30 words per minute and 5 years of experience in government or non-government office. And for LDC, the mandatory education qualification is a matriculation. Friends, the upper age limit for UDC is 32 years, while for LDC it is 30 years. Friends, both are permanent vacancy, and in both cases there is no compulsory requirement of experience. Friends, the package for upper divisional clerk is 5 lakhs gross, and for lower divisional clerk it is 4 lakhs gross. Friends, the mode of application and last date is same as shown in the previous slide. Friends, next vacancy is from IIT Madras for the recruitment of 2 vacancies of assistant registrar at Chennai. Friends, the education qualification asked is master's degree with at least 55% marks. However, preference will be given to candidates having professional qualifications in area of management or finance and account, along with 8 years of experience at supervisory level in government or government research establishments, universities, statutory organizations, government organizations of high repute. Friends, the upper limit is 45 years. These are permanent vacancies, and here there is no compulsory requirement of experience. Friends, the package would be 11 lakhs gross, and you have to apply online latest by 23rd August 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization. Friends, here the recruitment is for 10 vacancies of junior superintendent at Chennai. Friends, the education qualification asked is bachelor's degree in arts or science or humanities, including commerce, with at least 60% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 32 years. It's a permanent vacancy post, friends. However, you need to have 6 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package would be 6.80 lakhs gross, and you have to apply online latest by 23rd August 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization. Here the recruitment is for junior assistant. Friends, education qualification asked is bachelor's degree in arts, science or humanities, including commerce, with at least 60% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 27 years, and friends, remember here there are total 30 vacancies and all are permanent vacancies, and here you don't need to have an experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package would be 4.30 lakhs gross, and you have to apply online latest by 23rd August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from All India Institute of Speech and Hearing, which is an autonomous body under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Friends, here the recruitment is for 1 vacancies of assistant audit officer. Friends, this is a post on deputation. That means those who are already holding on-loggers post or having graduation, preferably in commerce with subordinate account services exam passed, or having done ISTM training, that is the Institute of Secretariat Training and Management, along with 3 years of experience in accounts and audit, is eligible to apply. Friends, the upper limit is 56 years, and here the package would be 8.5 lakhs per annum. Friends, you'll have to apply to All India Institute of Speech and Hearing latest by 13th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from IIT Bhilai for the recruitment of 5 vacancies of assistant and 2 vacancies of junior assistant. Friends, the education qualification for assistant is master's degree with at least 55% marks, while for junior assistant it is bachelor's degree with at least 55% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 32 years for assistant, while this is 30 years for junior assistant. Friends, these are permanent posts, and in both cases even freshers are also eligible to apply. And as far as package is considered, if you got selected as assistant, you will get 5 lakhs per annum, while for junior assistant the package is 4.30 lakhs per annum. Friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 20th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Vasant Kanya Mahavidyalaya for the recruitment of 1 vacancy of lower divisional clerk at Varanasi. Friends, the education qualification asked is graduation along with English typing speed of 40 words per minute or Hindi typing speed of 30 words per minute. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years. It's a permanent vacancy post for freshers as well. Friends, the package would be 4 lakhs gross, and you'll have to apply offline latest by 20th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from National Institute of Fashion Technology, which is under Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. Friends, here the recruitment is for 1 vacancy of assistant finance and accounts at Srinagar. Friends, the education qualification asked is bachelor's degree in commerce or a master's degree in commerce. Friends, the upper limit is 27 years. It's a permanent vacancy post. And friends, if you are a bachelor's degree holder, you need to have 2 years of experience, while for master degree holders, it is 1 year of experience requirement. Friends, the package would be 5 lakhs gross, and you'll have to apply online latest by 20th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization. Here the recruitment is for assistant in administration category. Friends, the education qualification asked is graduation along with typing speed of 40 words per minute in English or Hindi. Friends, the upper limit is 27 years. Here there are total 4 vacancies, all are permanent posts, but here you need to have 2 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package would be 5 lakhs gross, and you'll have to apply online latest by 20th August 2021. Friend, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 8 vacancies of junior assistant. Friends, here the education qualification asked is graduation along with English typing speed of 30 words per minute or Hindi typing speed of 25 words per minute. Friends, the upper age limit is here is 27 years. These are permanent posts and here freshers are eligible to apply. Friends, the package would be 4 lakhs gross and you'll have to apply online latest by 20th August 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Indian Air Force for the recruitment of 10 vacancies of lower divisional clerk on all India transfer basis. Friends, the education qualification for lower divisional clerk is 12th class or equivalent along with typing speed of 30 words per minute on manual typewriter or 35 words per minute on computer in English. Friends, the age limit is 25 years. These are permanent vacancy posts, friends, and here freshers are eligible to apply. Friends, the package would be 4 lakhs gross and you'll have to apply offline mode to the concerned Air Force station latest by 23rd August 2021. Friends, next vacancy from Indian Air Force again for the recruitment of 15 vacancies of store superintendent. Friends, the education qualification asked is a graduation. There are total 15 vacancies, all are permanent vacancies and there is no compulsory requirement. However, desirable experience asked is experience in handling of stores. Friends, here the package would be 5 lakhs gross. Mode of application and last date is same as shown in the previous slide. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization here, friends, that is Indian Air Force. Friends, here the recruitment is for 3 vacancies of storekeeper. Friends, the education qualification asked is 12th class or equivalent. Friends, the upper age limit is 25 years. It's a permanent vacancy post and again there is no compulsory requirement of experience. However, desirable experience asked is in handling of stores. Friends, the package would be 4 lakhs gross and friends, mode of application would be offline and you'll have to apply to the concerned Air Force station latest by 23rd August 2021. So friends, that's all for this week. I hope the video was useful. Do share the video with your near or dear ones whom you think the video might be useful. So see you all next week, friends. Till then, thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.